Hi, and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to subscribe to another user in Templafy so you can create documents on their behalf. Subscribing is especially helpful for assistants, coordinators, or anyone who prepares documents for colleagues. This feature must be enabled by your organization's admin. If you do not see the option to subscribe, it may not be available in your setup. To subscribe, navigate to User Options and open your settings. Click Add User Profile and select Subscribe to User Profile. Search for the colleague you need to write on behalf of and select their name. If you cannot find someone when searching, they may not have enabled others to subscribe to their user. Now, when you want to create a new document or email, you can select your colleague's profile. This ensures the document reflects the right contact details and branding every time. And remember, if you would like others to write on your behalf, open your settings and make sure the subscription option is enabled. Thanks for watching.